Well, hey everybody, 650 Eve here, coming at you from beautiful Washington, D.C. yet again. And I've got some beautiful machines inside my trailer. I've got good buddies over there that have already unloaded their bikes, and we're waiting on Moneybags Cam and Side Boogie to show up because I've got to teach Moneybags a lesson that he won't soon forget. In my last video, he put the smackdown on me. On his beautiful Ninja H2, I was on my world's powerful Ninja H2. Well, today, I have brought two of my finest machines for us to ride and see who will truly be victorious. It's rather windy here today, and I hope this dead cat that's attached to my microphone is reducing the wind noise, but inside the trailer, I brought the beautiful BMW HP4, my gorgeous Panigale V4 R, and we do have my full carbon Busa 1600cc and the gorgeous M1000RR. But today what we're going to do is I'm going to ride my gorgeous Panigale V4 R. I'm going to put Moneybags Cam on my M1000RR, and we're going to see who's going to be victorious. Tomorrow I might bring out the beautiful Busa, and I do want to stretch the legs on the HP4 most certainly. But look guys, these bikes are secured in this beautiful 28-foot enclosed all aluminum trailer with the premium escape door. Yeah, courtesy of our pitbull restraint systems. In my opinion, the only way to transport motorcycles inside of anything. You can install these on your trucks, your pickup trucks, in the bed. You can put them in trailers. They can be put on rooftops of station wagons. I've seen it. I kid you not. And the only thing holding the motorcycle in place, as you can see, is the pitbull restraint system attached to the rear axle of the motorcycles. They're great. And they even have these beautiful mechanisms to hold the pitbull restraint systems when they're not in use. This trailer can transport up to 8 motorcycles at once. It's really awesome. But look guys, I've got to pull these bikes out of the trailer, and then I've got to make sure and check their tire pressure, and we're going to get ready for some smackdowns. We're out and about on our bikes, and Moneybags Cam is having one of those days where he's simply not feeling it today, so he doesn't want to ride. And when you have one of those days, he's making the smart decision of just not to ride. I'm not going to pressure him. I did bring bikes for him to use if he wanted to, and I was looking forward to his assessment of this bike, the Panigale V4 R, and my beautiful M1000RR, but he's not feeling it. He's not going to ride today, but we're still going to have some fun. We got some other good buddies out. Devon has an M1000RR, looks great, SC Project exhaust from Moto Million. We're going to fuel up here, and then they tell me there's a bike night or a bike event that we're going to attend that should have many more bikes. So I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, well this looks like a nice place. Reminds me a lot of Pinecrest or Cracker Park that we have in filthy Cleveland. The design is very similar, and some of the restaurants are even the same. Very nice area here on this beautiful day. Can you guys believe it is November 17th? And this weather is just exceptional for this time of year. Usually, oh no, it kind of gives me the vibes of Easton in Columbus, Ohio. Wow, I like it. Looks like a giant Easton. But there's some bikes there. Whenever I travel places, I always forget where I visited. Maybe this will help me this time, but what a nice place here. And I think they say this is Maryland, but they have a nice turnout. Moneybags is going to head back to the hotel. We'll meet him there in a second. Yes, sir. You see these beautiful bikes that are here. A lot of different types of bikes, including this beautiful Triumph motorcycle with a 180 front tire, custom exhaust, 190 rear tire. This is some sort of Triumph bobber. And this guy, you can tell, has a lot of fun when cruising around on this beautiful bike. I'm really into it. I'm digging it. It's nice. Very unique. But tons of other bikes out. Most people are being smart and hanging out in the sunlight. A couple of our good buddies came from Cleveland. We got that Kawasaki over there. It's got the bags on it. Super fast, comfortable. Brian brought out his RSV4 Factory. Ultra gold. Yeah, look at this place. Really nice. We got some EV charging. Who cares? But over here we got more bikes. More bikers. They say that when the weather's nice and when it's just a little warmer, that there are bikes all over the place on Saturdays for this bike event. That's a wrap for our nice stay here at this impromptu sort of bike event. We had a great time here, but we realized and recognized that we have to get back to the hotel before it gets dark. I mean, it's already only 58 degrees, and when that sun sets, it's not going to be pretty. Ready to roll. I will never beat a bike that's set up and lowered on my stock height bike. I'll never. I don't even know why I try at this point. Well, that's what I have the Built Motor Busa and H2 for, but sometimes I like to try to race this bike. You're wondering how I lost to a CBR. Look at that man's forks. They are snatched all the way up. They look like chimney stacks. And he's got lowering, straps on it also. I'll try my luck against this Busa.
Gon' stink, model, Mara, serving the act out of baby bottle.
Yeah! Well, at least I got somebody. I got the Busa. We weigh the exact same. Yeah. Nice run. Busa again. I like it. Yeah. Clean victory. And that's just how I like it. So, we ended up riding my beautiful Panigale V4 R to a bike night. Or to a bike event. It was nice. We're definitely going to do that a lot more of that next year in this area.